suggested is that you are going to create a slip knot first. Now what you wanted to do before you insert into this, because if you just insert now it'll be a single crochet, you're going to place your finger, push it down and just wrap it first and then going into the stitch. So wrap it and then going into the stitch you want to start, and I'm still holding this down. If you don't hold it down it will unwrap itself. So then you just pull through the yarn and now you have your 3 loops and there is your half double crochet as normal. So you just yarn over, pulling through all 3, and that leaves the tail at the top of the project, and then you just continue to half double crochet all the way across. So what the advantage is that the first stitch looks like the other stitches, right? And so the very top of this stitch here looks normal. So when you go to join it at the end, if it's around, then it looks like it all belongs together. So that's a great way to avoid seam lines by using a half double crochet with a standing stitch instead. So just to recap one more time if you didn't catch it yet. So you're just gonna create a slip knot, and then you're going to wrap it once and just pinch down, and then going into your stitch, pull it through. There's your 3 loops, pull through all 3, and that is your standing half double crochet.